Hi, I'm Louisa. I'm a Frankfurt School alumni and co-founder and CEO of OSPHIM. I studied my bachelor at Frankfurt School from 2011 until 2015. At OSPHIM, we do software and AI for the plastics manufacturing industry with a focus on injection molding. So what we do is we take the data or collect the data at the machine, but also using historical data and simulation data, and train our AI system to find the optimal machine parameters or the optimal machine setting point for plastics manufacturing. At OSPHIM, we are four co-founders. I'm one of them and I'm the CEO. So my role is currently more business side related. So I'm not involved in writing the code or something. I'm doing marketing, HR, sales, and also the finance. And this is, of course, a good background is the Frankfurt School. I learned a lot in my bachelor degree, which you start learning in theory more or less, of course, in your studies. And now I really actively need that knowledge, and this is what I'm doing. So my co-founders sometimes say, Louisa is doing all the BWL stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. The impact at OSPHIM, or what we do is we optimize the machine parameters and the settings, and we bring into that industry with the current tools of artificial intelligence. We speed it up and it's more efficient, which saves energy, which saves, of course, also material. So we reduce the scrap rate, but we also speed it up. And we will support with our system, because it's a data-driven approach to set up the machine, also the usage of recycled plastics. And this is a bigger impact we are doing with OSPHIM. My time at Frankfurt School was 2011 until 2015, and I know during that time it was like this little campus in Ostend. I enjoyed that time a lot because we were really a little group and of very ambitious students. That time students, now everyone has their career. But this were like great impulses, and you could always feedback from each other, and started to grow your network at the end. So now you like really benefit from that network. And what I really enjoyed is it was very small. So you always had the opportunity to ask the professor directly and to get feedback, and also like in little groups to learn and to study together. But the most important thing is the people you studied with, the network, and the support you got from Frankfurt School. Well, personally, the Frankfurt School network, of course, you have now a lot of friends, very good and close friends, and still after a lot of years, more than 10 years, I see my friends all over around the world, and this is great. But also from a business perspective, the people I study with, I know sometimes we don't talk to each other, sometimes a year or 2 years, but you always know you can call them in case something pops up or you need an information, or business-wise something you would like to challenge. And this is great to know that these people you study with, you learned or get to know each other here at Frankfurt School. This is a network you can always rely on. I would give my tip to the students, the bachelor students, be open. And what I mean by that is be open to the people you study with, find friends, but also start to grow your network, and also be open to all the opportunities you can choose at Frankfurt School. It's a great opportunity you have now to look at and find out what you really like to do, and maybe where your impact is.